the hell's going on, Playboy?
What up, brother?
What are we doing today, Playboy?
Picking up a bike, brother. Bringing it home to his righteous home. Oh, yeah. See this smile? Never gonna leave. Woo!
I got some bad news for you though.
What's that?
I got some bad news for you. Fucking 403's all shut down at Waterdown Road.
Is it?
Yeah, there's an accident. I don't know. Christine just called me and told me.
Damn. Now, and then I gotta go. Are you still filming this?
Yeah, I'm still filming this.
Don't leave my shit, man. Fucking, and then I just heard from U-Haul that I gotta go to a different location, Walker's and Mainway, because they called me 20 minutes. Oh yeah, the guy is supposed to be back by 11. Is not gonna bring it back today.
What the hell?
I'm like, hey, like,
all right,
next
well,
at the last minute.
Let's stop about this all bad news and get.
Yeah, let's not put any more on this.
Ready to roll, Ty?
Yeah, I'm ready, brother.
Let's get in this freaking Ford. Oh my lord, double cupping it, eh?
What's that?
Double cupping it.
Yeah, we'll see. Somebody's hot.
Oh man, this thing's harder to get into my truck. Oh my god, I just tweaked my neck. I think Ty's getting excited.
Yeah.
We're getting close.
Smell it. Smell
Oh,
it.
there's Bud's BMW. Bring my wallet. Oh, come here,
Never liked that generation.
What, the 4th gen?
Yeah,
No, I wasn't a fan either. Bud's Subaru. And then, here we go. Fuck, you might be able to pull. What are we gonna do here, Ty?
I'm just gonna park right in the side. It's easy for me to back out too, so I'll just bring it over, and then once you start drying it down, then I will.
Yeah, you got room. You excited, Ty?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm camera shy. I'm camera shy, Ty.
I'm camera shy.
Camera shy, Ty. Oh my god. I'm getting old. Alright, well, we're gonna wait for Ty to do some paperwork and we'll get the trailer all fucking all did in. Go get your bike. You've been waiting for it. Looks a lot different.
Yeah, she does. Prettier.
Prettier?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's up front.
Those trailer.
Yeah, it's a U-Haul trailer with the wheel chock in it already.
Let's look.
Looks nice. I like the clear cut cover. Yeah. Come on, you've been slacking. Not working at the gym. All right, time to tire down. Where are you going? You pushing it home? You pushing it home? Yeah, we're gonna get this thing loaded up. Take a better look at it when we get it loaded up. Watch, don't you wash out that front end. All right, so here's Ty's bike. It's got the carbon fiber wheel tire hugger with the exhaust cover on it. Got the front fender put on it. Got the levers. Look at that bad boy. That's sick. Let's watch Ty. He's gonna try to back her into here. No pressure, you're on camera. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to move this pylon too. Got her first go. Look at that. hell out of here. I am fucking famished. Need some rotten roundies or something.